Okay, students. So the next topic for your ET and M subject is hyperbolic cooling tower. इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन तो पूछा जा सकता है. Okay, so let's get started without wasting much time. Which of the following is the simplest method of cooling the condenser water? So सबसे simple जो method है cooling करने का, that is your spray cooling pond. Next, open cooling system is also called as once through system, dear student. It is also called as what? Once through system. Next, what type of cooling system is used in large power plant? Large power plant में cooling tower use होता है, dear students. Okay, so आपका जो आंसर रहना चाहिए that should be C, cooling tower. Next, wet cooling towers operates on the principle of, so the wet cooling towers operate on the principle of evaporative cooling. It operates where? On the evaporative cooling, dear student. How does outside air enter into wet cooling system? It enter through the lowers. Lowers is a part or is okay from where the outside air enters. So देखो आप जब ये टॉपिक कर रहे रहेंगे आपको सिस्टम लर्न करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, हाउ इज वाटर सर्कुलेटेड थ्रू आउट द ड्राई कूलिंग टावर सिस्टम? इट इज सर्कुलेटेड थ्रू finned tubes. Through which tubes? Finned tubes. Next, why is the exhaust steam coming out of turbine is admitted to a steam header? It is admitted to a steam header to decrease the pressure drop, dear student. क्या decrease करने को? Pressure drop decrease करने को. How is air produced in mechanical rod cooling tower? The air is produced only and only by B, that is propeller fans. Hyperbolic cooling tower generally used in which industry? Steel, fertilizer, aluminium और power industries. So generally हाइपरबोलिक ये किस में यूज होता है कूलिंग टावर? पावर इंडस्ट्री में, डियर स्टूडेंट. डिजाइन ऑफ हाइपरबोलिक कूलिंग टावर्स फॉर all the dash cooling tower, for all the type, it is what? Natural draft. So the natural draft cooling tower is been designed. The beams of hyperbolic cooling tower are made up of, they are made up of stainless steel. They are made up of what, dear students? Stainless steel. Natural draught in hyperbolic cooling tower reduces dash of the fan. It reduces what? It reduces the cost of the fans. Hyperbolic design allow for the use of dash without sacrificing structural integrity. मतलब हाइपरबोलिक डिजाइन में हम मटेरियल मिनिमम यूज कर सकते हैं विदाउट सैक्रिफाइसिंग एनी स्ट्रक्चरल इंटीग्रिटी. सो आपका आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? ए, मिनिमम मटेरियल. नेक्स्ट, फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द एडवांटेज ऑफ हाइपरबोलिक डिजाइन. लेस इनिशियल कॉस्ट. इट इज नॉट द एडवांटेज ऑफ हाइपरबोलिक डिजाइन. फॉलोइंग इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ हाइपरबोलिक डिजाइन. सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या है? वेरी लेस नॉइज, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, hyperbolic cooling tower used in, yes, it is used in power industry. I had told you, we had seen this. So the power industry here is coal, nuclear, thermal. So आपका आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? D, all of this. Next, natural draught in hyperbolic production of, it is used for production of only and only what? Electrical energy. Next, when vapor is cooled at constant total system volume, the dash changes. What changes? Pressure changes, dear students. Approximately a dash of cooling in cooling tower is through what? It is through A. The sensible cooling is 5%, 80%, 20% और 40%. सो आपका आंसर क्या रहेगा? C, 20%. Next, condensation starts at dash point. So you should know condensation always starts at dew point, dear students. In which type of cooling system are nozzle arranged on different elevation? They are arranged on double deck system. In which system, dear student? Double deck system. Next, the exhaust system coming out of turbine is admitted to steam header to increase the pressure. अगर हमें pressure increase करना है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? It is admitted to the exhaust steam header. Wet cooling tower operate on the principle of evaporative cooling. ये क्वेश्चन को important mark करो. Wet cooling tower operates on the principle of B, evaporative cooling. The open cooling is also called as, it is also called as once through system. It is also called as what? Once through system, dear student. How does outside air enter system? So कैसे enter होता है? Lowers, we had seen this. Which one of the following is the maximum effect on cooling tower performance? So कौन सा इफेक्ट यहाँ पे कूलिंग टावर के परफॉर्मेंस को जज करेगा? दैट वुड बी फिल मीडिया. क्या रहेगा? फिल मीडिया. देयर आर मोर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू PDF. Okay, until then keep studying. Thank you so much.